Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're working with the Paper Pumpkin, the February 2024 Sweet Springtime Kit. This is a reminder of what this kit actually makes. We are going to be making an alternate project today, but before we get started on that project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first we have our March Paper Pumpkin, the Memorable Meadows, that includes a free stamp set. It makes 9 cards and comes with the Garden Green Stampin' Spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go ahead and order the Love of Spring Dies add-on for $12. It coordinates with the January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin kits, okay? There's a link in the description box for you to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my new and used all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. I can only ship and sell these boxes in the United States. If you're interested, visit me at honeybeestampinhive.com and click on the link of this flyer. It's on the left-hand side of that website. Or you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com and we can talk about it. This is our February host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Speaking of freebies, again, we still have celebration going on. So if you spend $50 or more, you can earn you some free products from this celebration brochure. And if you go online, you can see they have added some more items from the annual catalog and some from the mini catalog. So some extra freebies that you can get free instead of paying for them, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on our 10th alternate card. So this is a series of 10 videos. So if you haven't seen the other videos, go back and watch 1 through 9 because this is number 10. So we're going to start by doing some stamping, and I have some early espresso ink here, and we're going to stamp a little chick from the stamp set that comes in the kit. We're going to stamp that. Then I have the inside of our card here. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to stamp a bunny right here. Then I have another piece from the kit, this little banner here, and I am going to use a greeting from Go To Greetings. It's the happy birthday, the smallest happy birthday. I'm going to stamp that on this banner. Ooh, I got a halo. There's nothing I can do about it because this is the only banner I have. We'll just have to leave it. And then I have a card base here of Garden Green. It's 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. And I am going to stamp my personal stamp on this, my personalized stamp on the back so that we can put this ink away. So we're all done with all the stamping. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of coloring. So I'm going to start with my chick. I have the, well, I need that too. I have the light Daffodil Delight here. We're going to color our chick. And because this is not for the inside of the card, I want to make sure I do a good coloring. Get all of this colored in. Then I'm going to take the dark and just go over all these little lines here. Like this. And then these two there. Then I'm going to get the light petal pink, and we're going to color his beak and his feet. Okay. Then we're going to take this petal pink, color in our bunny's ears here, and his little nose, and that'll be it. All right, so now we can start putting some things together. So I have a piece of Daffodil Delight that is 5 by 3 3/4 that we're going to attach our inside piece to. So let's get that. And we're going to layer that together. Ooh, ooh, come on. Try to get it straight a little bit. Goodness. And then we're going to add this to the inside of our card. Open up. Okay. Then I have some more Daffodil Delight. This is 3.5 by 3.5. And I have a piece of basic white that is 3 3/8 by 3 3/8 that we are going to glue down to this square of Daffodil Delight. Just like that. Okay, I think that's most of our layering done. So now I'm going to take my paper snips and I'm going to fussy cut this little chick. I know a lot of people don't like fussy cutting, but it doesn't bother me. I like to cut. It's relaxing to me, just like coloring is relaxing to me. So, and this is a simple little cutout. It's not a lot of ins and outs and roundabouts. So I don't mind fussy cutting it because it's a simple shape. I'm just going to leave a little bit of a white border around it. You guys know during celebration, if you sign up, the kit is $99 plus tax. The shipping is free. You get to choose $125 worth of product of your choice. And during celebration, you get a glass mat studio. Comes with a glass mat, a little sham cloth, some kind of cleaning cloth that can clean your stamps and the glass mat, and a silicone mat sheet or something. I don't know what it's called because I don't have it. I would have to purchase it since I'm already a demonstrator and I didn't purchase it. But it's worth like 60 bucks. And if you don't want that, you don't have to get it. You can get $30 more in product in your kit. Isn't that an awesome deal? And it'll all come to your house free of shipping charges. Okay, so we have that cut out. So we're going to go ahead. I have a piece here from the kit. This is, what is this? 5.5. Well, we're going to cut it down to 5.5 by, oh, is it on the back? I think it's 2 1/4. I believe it's 2 1/4. So we're going to glue this down on here. And it does have a crease, a little score line going through it. But, oh man, I didn't mean to put the glue all the way down because I have to cut part of it off. But I'm going to leave just like an 1/8 of an inch border on the side here. And we're going to stick that down to our card base. Let me get my scissors here and cut that extra off. You guys liking my new mat here I got for my desktop? Okay, so then we're going to take our Daffodil Delight in basic white squares and we're going to glue this down right here like this, just like that. Okay, then I have a wreath here. Oh no, I forgot a piece. This Daffodil Delight was supposed to go here. So you know what I have to do? Let me see if I can, oh good, joy. It came up with no problem. Oh, that's good because I thought it was gonna stick. I was just gonna cut it. I was gonna cut this piece and just piece it in, but good thing we didn't have to do that. I think this is 1/4 of an inch, and we're gonna cut it down to 5 1/2. Okay, now let's put this back on. I'm happy I caught that before it stuck too well. Oh boy, that would not have been good. Okay, there we go. So now I have this wreath from the kit, and we're going to glue this down on those squares. I'm getting glue all in my hand. Ew. Oh man, I didn't even see that. We'll have to let that dry and get that off of there. So let's put this wreath right on this square like this. Look at all that glue. Okay, so I am going to take some of the twine that was in the kit, and I'm gonna tie a small little bow. Hopefully it comes out right. My fingers are sticky now. Oh no, I can't tell what piece is what. Oh, I pulled the right one. Joy. I hope I'm staying in frame. I've been watching my videos back and noticing when I'm doing little simple things, I'm pulling it out of frame. And it's not on purpose, it's just that I can't see. I wear glasses and I have to pull this stuff close to me so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and we're gonna get a glue dot. Let's see. We want a small glue dot. It might take your pick tool to help me out here. And I'm gonna put that glue dot right here. Matter of fact, I think I might use 2. Just like that. And then we're gonna put our bow right on top of that. Just like that. Now, we're gonna have to give those tails a little trim because they're kind of long. Oh, only got one. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna add our little chicks and our sentiment. So I wanna get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our sentiment here. So let's add some on here. These are my little edge pieces that I have left. And we're gonna sit this across the wreath, this banner, taking the backs off. Okay. Let's just put this right across the middle of our wreath here. Oop. Get it a little more centered there. Like that, okay? And then we're gonna take our little chick, and I'm not sure where I wanna put him. I think I wanna put 2 on here. I cut one out ahead of time because I was thinking if I want 1 or 2, and I might wanna put 2, but I'm thinking maybe right here, or should I put them like up here in the wreath? No, I think I like it. Yeah, I think I like them right there. So I'm gonna put dimensionals on the back of those. We'll do 2. I have little half dimensionals I'm gonna use. Ooh, I'm bending his leg. Okay. So let's see here. We'll put 1 right here on the corner there. And this one will come down a little bit further. Just like that. And we're going to use the pearls that came with this kit, in this paper pumpkin kit, to decorate. And I want to put one big one there, one little one here. Then I want to put, ooh, let's see, where should I put this third one? Maybe right here. Accent our little mess up. Okay, you guys, that's it. What do you think? Isn't that a cute little card? I'll clean that up with my adhesive remover. I like that. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.